Hey everyone, welcome to Netception. Now, in this video, we are going to show you how you can download Instagram stories. You all might be familiar with Instagram stories. These are the things that pop up at the top of your Instagram, and these are small videos or posts by the users which you want to see. And often you like the stories so much you want to download them, but there's no other way. They go off within 24 hours, they only stay for 24 hours. So, after 24 hours, there's no way until and unless the user who has uploaded the story archives it, you cannot see the old stories anymore. So let's say you like a story so much you want to keep it and you want to see it again and again. What do you do to do that? Well, to do that you have to do this. You have to go to Google Play Store and search for this app, Story Saver. As you can see, Story Saver for Instagram has come up. You can look at the app, you can look at the reviews, and this is the app which we are going to be saving our Instagram stories. So just tap on install and wait for it to download and get installed. As you can see, it is a really small file. It downloads immediately and it's installed. Now you can tap on open, and with Instagram this app will be open. Now here are two things you can do. You can either sign in with Instagram or with Facebook. Now you have to, you will be wanting to sign up with Instagram so that you can view your own Instagram account, and the people you already follow, you can use that. You can use that. You can be We are already inside this Instagram story saver app, and you can see, at first I can see everyone's stories. These are the same people whose stories you can see in the Instagram app. You can also see their stories here. So you just have to search for the person whose story you want to download, and you can go ahead and download it from here. So let's say I have this actress's Instagram story and I wish to download them. So you can see there are on-screen instructions on how to do this. Now you can just go ahead and click on any of these stories which you want to download. Let's say this one. You have to just allow the app to save it. You can repost it, even share it and download it. And as you can see, just by scrolling, I can see it in its full image. I can see the full quality, and look how beautiful this pic is. So if I want to, I can go ahead. If I want to, I can go ahead and save it, and once I click on save, it will be saved. And as you can see, the image has been saved to my phone. I can go ahead and search it to my gallery. I can go ahead and save it also. And as you can see, by tapping on open, I can immediately switch off to my gallery app, and now I can actually view the image that I just downloaded. This is in my phone. I can do anything with it. I can edit it, I can move it, I can share it anywhere, and it will be saved in my phone. I can view it anywhere, anytime. So isn't that awesome, guys? Yeah, totally, I think so. See, you can see both the images have been downloaded. And if you found this method really helpful, which you should have, and if